Hi, welcome back to my channel here on Lulu's World. Before I get started, please, if you have not already, subscribe to this channel, Lulu's World on YouTube. If you haven't yet already, why not? So this video is a little unboxing on a small purchase that I recently made with Urban Decay. I saw a post on this eyeshadow palette that I thought looked really cool, and it had been a while since I bought an eyeshadow palette from Urban Decay, and I also got a couple other little things as well. So this is the box, which I had opened up already, making it a lot easier for me to go over with you. So I'm trying to cover my mailing information. So there's 3 items in here. This is the free sample. Urban Decay 24/7 Ride On Eye Pencil in 0. And on the back, there's it says Urban Decay, still this look. Okay. So, demo. And then I got the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion Anti-Aging to use with you in this video. The liner I may not use, but this I definitely will. I want to try it and see what it's like. And then here's the palette, which is the star of this show. And this is the Urban Decay Naked Robin Eisenberg eyeshadow palette. I don't really know much about Robin Eisenberg, but what I do know is she's an illustrator. And she, on the back, it tells you more about her and her collaboration with Urban Decay to make this palette, and I'm about to read it to you, so here we go. Urban Decay, blast off into intergalactic holidays. Discover your inner cosmos with our limited edition Naked times Robin Eisenberg eyeshadow palette. This all-new, out-of-this-world spectrum of 12 shades transports you from joyful, color-filled California sunsets to big, banging celestial stardust. Space out for the holidays. Muted burgundy glitter while feeling bright and fiery like a mango sun floral matte. There's no time like the future, so go hard or go to your home planet. Home planet, bright periwinkle matte with an alien babe navy blue glitter by your side. Our signature naked eyeshadow formula means these cosmic mattes, shimmers, and glitters are velvety, ultra blendable, and keep the good vibes going for eons. Limited edition artwork designed by LA-based artist Robin Eisenberg. New double-ended smudger, tapered crease brush. Oh, I grabbed a bunch of brushes in case I needed them. We are going to play with some of these. Probably not all of them. And there's 12 different shades. On the back is like a display of what they look like. Turning here to there or here to there, depending on which way you want to go. They look very pretty. There's some blues, purples, browns, pinks, goldish, beige colors. And now we're going to open this up. But first, I actually wanted to put some primer on my eyes with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Priming Potion Anti-Aging. I figured I'd get the anti-aging one because I'm getting up there in my age. 38. I'll be 39 soon. So, you know how that goes. And this is what that looks like. Their primer potion. Eyeshadow primer potion. Oh. So it comes with this little thing. What do you call it? Wand. Applicator wand. And oh, I just got a little underneath my eye. So now we're going to check out and play with these colors. I'm going to do swatches for you. Wow, this is a lot fancier than any other Decay palette I've seen and played with and touched. This is really fancy. It's no wonder this was like mad expensive probably. How much was this again? I don't even remember. What did I spend? Yep. So this palette was $54. Mind you, like, look at this. This is like hardcore. It's a hardcore palette. Should be good for 2 years. Okay, so right there, it's a little messy, and I did not open this up yet. This is the first time ever. Look what they did. Wait, can you see it? There's like goldish eyeshadow on the brush. Interesting. But these are really pretty. Let's see, the latest one here, which is like what I would consider, there's probably about maybe 4 transition shades here that I would consider. These two being the top ones. This could be a highlighting shade too, or it could be a transition, but we're going to swatch these and see how they apply to my arm before I try them on my face. So the first color I'm going to try, I'm going to take the brush out, that way I don't lose it while doing this. The first shade I'm going to try is this one here, the lightest one, which is called Moon Sand. This one, Moon Sand. Which is probably a good thing. That's Moon Sand. Then, I like how blendable it is. There is Solar Storm, which is this light brownish color. This one there. Kind of see it on my arm. And then we have Pulsar, this shimmery one, which is similar to this color but with shimmer. A little bit more like flecks of pink in it. Yeah, there are flecks of pink in it. Shimmery, I don't know what you would call that. Like a prismatic, pinkish, orangey brown. You could even see that. Then there's Ion, which is a gold shimmer shade. This guy here. Which is that there, if you could see it. And then we have Mango Sun, which is this one here underneath my finger. Which I would also consider a transitional shade. And then we have Exoplanet, which is a shimmery pinkish fuchsia, almost fuchsia shade. Maybe. And what is this thing? That's really pretty. It's like a reddish pinkish shimmer. I don't know what you would call that, but it's definitely pretty. That's that one. And then we have Foxfire, this one here, which is another matte, but I would consider this to be a little too dark to be a transition. This guy here. Foxfire. This one is Foxfire. That one. And then we have, we're almost done. Holidays. This one. Holidays. If we took a holidays, wow, that one's a little messy. I accidentally scratched it with my nail. Holidays. It would be so nice if we took holidays. Start singing. Then we have this light bluish purple home planet, which I would probably consider a transition shade, but it's just a blue purple lavendery shade. But it's so soft, I would consider it a transition. This one, home planet, this one right here. Use my pinky, which we haven't used yet. See, that's pretty. For like sort of a transition, we're gonna go back this way because I ran out of room on my arm. This one. It's a bit heavy for a transition. Maybe I would go with the lightest one first and work my way up, but it's very blendable. And it smooths out pretty nicely. On my arm at least. Then we have Ice Crater, which is like purplish shimmery with blue flecks and I don't know what other flecks in it. Different flecks. Is this one right here. The third to last. Ice Crater. Reminds me of other eyeshadows I've seen and nail polishes. We got Ice Crater. Stick it in between the first one and one of the other ones. This one. Then we have Alien Babe. Alien Babe, which is more of a purple glittery shimmer shade, but there's other flecks of other stuff in it that I'm having a hard time picking up with my eyes. Bluish flecks, pink and blue, but it's purple. This one, which looks like this, which is really pretty. So that's that one. And then last but not least is Space Pod, which is like a dark blue with light blue specks. Or it's like some of these are just hard to explain. It's like light blue with dark blue specks. If that makes any sense. You see what I mean? Alien. Oh, Space Pod. Excuse me. That one's very dark, but it's nice. So this is the whole palette.